Hello, this is George from Car Key Solutions, the car key and vehicle security specialist. Today, we're gonna talk about the Ghost Immobiliser. Behind me in our workshop today is a vehicle that thieves were unable to steal because we have installed a Ghost Immobiliser. So today we're gonna answer the most asked questions that we get asked often. So what is the Ghost 2? Ghost 2 is a cutting-edge aftermarket immobilizer system that comes highly recommended by some vehicle insurance companies, or in fact, some insurance company, they won't even insure a vehicle until a Ghost 2 is installed. Also, Ghost 2 is compatible with almost all modern cars on the road. So how does the Ghost 2 work? Well, the Ghost 2 gets connected to the vehicle communication system, and when activated, it prevents the engine starting or the gear engaging. So what are the main key features of the Ghost Immobiliser? 1. Automatic activation when the vehicle ignition is turned off. 2. Hidden components to avoid detection. 3. Unique PIN code entered by existing buttons in the vehicle. And 4th, ability to change that PIN code to disarm the Ghost. Is the Ghost Immobiliser easy to use? Yes, it is. Firstly, it gets activated automatically when the ignition is turned off. You don't have to do anything. And then, to get it deactivated, you have to simply enter your PIN code from the buttons inside the car. No need to carry anything else with you. Are Ghost Immobiliser worth it? Factory-fitted immobilizer systems are easily bypassed nowadays with procedure like key cloning, hacking, direct connection to immobilizer systems and emulating keys, or simply programming a new keys, as some systems are very vulnerable. Now, all those are not possible when a Ghost 2 is installed. So the response is yes, they are worth it. What is a Ghost Immobiliser cost? Ghost system installation starts from £450, but can be high on certain vehicles due to complexity on installations. However, this has to be seen as an investment because it can save you money on your insurance policy and also protect you from the headache of having your car stolen. Is the Ghost Immobiliser TACHAM approved? No, it isn't, and the reason behind this, due to its new technology, TACHAM, they did not have the category for it. However, TACHAM's competitor, TASA, a vehicle security governing body, they have recognized Ghost Immobiliser as a device for vehicle protection. Is the Ghost Immobiliser a tracker? No, Ghost 2 is purely an anti-theft device, but it can work in conjunction with any tracking device on the market. Does the Ghost Immobiliser invalidate your vehicle's warranty? Great news, it doesn't. However, for a smoother experience when you are to take your car into the dealership for service or repairs, always set up the service or valet mode. We've seen it in the past with few dealerships wrongly blaming the Ghost causing vehicle issues, and it wasn't the case. Therefore, setting up the service or valet mode will prevent this from happening. Is the Ghost 2 reliable? Yes. With a correct installation, Ghost 2 is a very stable product, unlikely to cause any vehicle issues. What is the warranty on a Ghost 2 Immobiliser? From factory, AutoWatch covered the Ghost 2 Immobiliser with 2 years warranty. However, here at Car Key Solutions, we believe in this product and we extend the warranty for no extra cost to 5 years. What happens to the Ghost Immobiliser if you have to disconnect your car battery? Well, if you have to disconnect your car battery for whatever reason, the Ghost Immobiliser will retain its functionality, including disarming code, valet mode, or whatever configuration it might have. What happens to the Ghost Immobiliser if your car battery goes flat? Well, in most cases, a flat battery won't affect the Ghost Immobiliser function. However, on cars in general, voltage spikes, they can affect electrical components, and so the Ghost too. So if you have any doubts about your car battery's condition, have it checked and replace it if necessary. How good is the Ghost Immobiliser? Well, in the UK, over 90,000 vehicles they've been equipped with the Ghost Immobiliser. Out of them, 0.02 were recorded as stolen. Even this number we suspect is attributed to poor installation. So if you put all in perspective, Ghost 2 is a very good device for anti-theft protection. Ghost versus Tracker. Some people think they might be similar products, however they're not. Ghost prevents the theft from happening, where the Tracker helps to retrieve the vehicle after it's been stolen. Prevention is always better than a cure. I hope we gave you a good overview about the Ghost Immobiliser and have answered the most commonly asked questions. But if you have any more, drop them in a comment below and we'll get a reply to you. This is George, Car Key Solutions, your car key and vehicle security specialist.